My name is Mark Paul, Executive Chef of the Jamaica Pegasus and also Vice President of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica. And this we're at our 7th staging of the Best Dressed Chicken Taste of Jamaica competition. It's a grand year. It is one of our best. It's well organized, it is well supported. The kids are here, they're having fun and they're learning. We actually had over 1,500 people yesterday, today about 800. We have a lot of seminar going on. We are having several demonstrations from all the different sponsors.
Hi everybody, my name is Andrew Allen, representing the Best Dressed Chicken at Taste of Jamaica, Day 2, 2015. Now, fabulous competition. So far, it's been a wonderful 2 days, lovely 2 days. The support has been tremendous. And we encourage you all, if you haven't reached here yet, you need to make Taste of Jamaica a calendar item on your calendars every year.
Matthew Allen from TPJ Foods. We are glad to be sponsors for the annual Taste of Jamaica show. We're a gold sponsor this year with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica because we believe in bringing out the culinary talent of Jamaicans and exposing our talent to the rest of the Caribbean and the rest of the world.
base. And Chef of the Year for 2015 with a bronze medal, Patrice Malcolm. So that's Nicolette Williams, Best Dressed Chicken Marketing Promotions Officer. Check now for $15,000 courtesy of Best Dressed Chicken. And there's one more prize, and this is the king size bed and base. From Sealy Posturepedic. And that's Giona Stewart making the presentation symbolically. The Chef of the Year for 2015, Patrice Malcolm. So we want to reiterate a very special thank you to all the members of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, all the volunteers, all our judges. Come on, let's hear it for our judges. And of course, all our sponsors, Best Dressed Chicken, Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, Chas E. Ramson, Rainforest Seafoods, Copperwood Pork, Heart Trust NTA, Grace Foods and Anchor Butter, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Nestle, Coley's Island, J. Ray and Nephew, Fraser's Food Supplies and Services, King Alarm, Power 106 and Music 99 FM, Caribbean Airlines, Chavot Farm, Wiccan Supplies and Services, HBG Associates, Macintosh Bedding, and Roy Campbell's Books and more. Round of applause for all our sponsors and of course all our participants. Well done. Thank you for making it the Best Dressed Chicken Taste of Jamaica Culinary Competition and Expo 2015. All things being well, we'll catch you next year.